Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this green look from the Revolution Cannabis Infused Sativa whatever palette. It's a really nice look. I didn't know what I was starting out with, but this is what I ended up with. As you can tell, I'm looking a bit ratchet right now, but that's because I just got out of the bath. Let's just pretend that Amber doesn't look like that on a normal day. Just forget about it, okay? Just forget about it. Just so you know how much I really love you, I told you guys that I'd be doing a video for Thursday, and today is Thursday, and it is 5 minutes to 11, so I'm going to edit this video and put it on YouTube within an hour, hopefully. Well, if not, then I can just be like, well, I tried. Like, time's against me. I have, like, the P Louise sale for 50% off is in an hour, and then I need to order myself a takeaway. There's just too much to do and too little time, so that's why you've only got one eye for today. So, if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. First, I'm going to be using the Primed&Ready eyeshadow base for base my base oil base there. Put way too much on there. Oh, now I ain't got enough on. What a dumbass. So I've just been looking everywhere for a mirror, and turns out the palette I am using has one in, so I'm going to use this. So first I'm going to go in with Relax here. Then I'm going to take a packing brush and just go in with this plant here. I've gone too far. Well, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I'm willing to experiment here. Next, I'm just going to take the colour Leaf to blend that shit out of here. I hope I like this, guys, because if I don't, we're not going to have a video for Thursday and I would have lied. Next, I'm going to take Alka Paclo, and I'm just going to hit my temple up here with it. Gives it a really nice glammy look. Oh yes, oh yes. I don't even know what I'm doing, so I don't know what I'm saying. Nice glammy look. Like I actually have some idea where I'm going with this. Next, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm going to be concealing my this bit here. I don't know what it's called. The lid and the side of my head as well, because that's why I was gone with this. So now that we have made our, so now that we've created our little flicky licky, don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm just gonna look for a few seconds, see what colour I actually want to use. The next colour I'm going to be hitting is Hybrid, just up here, and I'm just going to be giving myself a glitter liner, double cut crease thingy-ma-tiggy. I don't know what it's called, to be honest with y'all. Oh my god. Yes, that is so yes. I'm so happy with that. Whoopsie. Next, I'm going to go in with Candyland here, and I'm just going to cross this all the way along my lid. That's the look I give when I fucking hate the look. You never know, lashes could save it. Next, I'm going in with Makeup Gallery's Pro Liquid Liner. I fucking love it, and I know it cost me £1. £1. Okay, this ain't bad. This ain't bad. Like, if I had a full face of makeup on, I'd like it better, but that's not what we're doing today. Now that we've finished the top of the eye, I'm going to go in with Mist and hit that bottom left line with that. Eyeball, I got it in my eyeball. In my eyeball. Then I'm going to go in with Haze just underneath that mist, because I want some gold in there for safekeeping. I don't think you're gonna see that though. Oh, I can. It looks cutie booty cute. I'm popping these Ardell Demi Wispies on. They are in black. I don't know why it has to specify. I've never seen it in any other colour. And whilst those little bad boys, not what I wanted to use next. Next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Drama eyeliner pencil kohl liner. Oh, and how can I forget? And I forgot, quite evidently. Next, I'm going to be using the Great Lash mascara. I've been thinking of the name for ages and I finally got it. now this lash should be ready to stick on. I'm going to do that off camera because I'm really shy. So this is the final look. I really do like it, even though I had no idea what I was going to go into, and the only reason that I even did this look is because I promised you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share it with your friends, I don't mind. I hope everybody has a wonderful evening and a beautiful day, and everybody remember that P Louise is having a 50% off sale at 0000 GMT, so make sure you get online and bye because I'm buying. On that note, see you later, bye!